Okay, why not admit it? Which girl doesn't like a bit of spark and glitter? I have to confess I do. So a couple of months ago, I was going through one of my favorite fabric shops in Lisbon, and I bumped into a golden lame. Now, I knew it wasn't made from a natural fiber, so I hesitated, since I normally only work with silk and cotton. But I just wanted to try to apply a golden fabric to the felt because I was so sure I'd love the contrast between the metal and the soft wool. It was also clear to me that it wouldn't be easy to get this fabric to felt onto the wool. As you know, for nuno felting you need a loose weave fabric, and it wasn't the case for this one. I decided to get it anyway, and I started rehearsing in my mind how I was going to get it to stick to the wool. I made a first experiment, but I wasn't happy with it at all. I tried the normal nuno felting technique, and I added some gauze to guarantee the fabric would stay in its place. My mind was busy for days trying to figure out a way to solve the problem. I went through all the felting techniques I could think of, and finally it dawned on me. So I tried it out, and it did work. Now, it's not like I've invented the wheel, but I came up with a way to mix felting techniques you probably already know that make it possible to nuno felt a difficult fabric, in this case a synthetic one with a relatively tight weave, for decoration purposes. And that is what this workshop is about, and I'm really excited to be able to share it with you. But please be warned that this won't work for elastic fabrics, nor for really tight woven ones. I call this the lamination technique. The important thing to be successful with this project is that you have some experience with wet felting, so that you feel really confident with the wool already. You'll learn how to calculate the size and make a resist, how to felt with a resist, how to avoid getting wrinkles in your piece, and the lamination technique. It will greatly depend on how much experience and confidence you have with wet felting, but this project can take you anywhere from 4 to 6 hours to complete. The workshop is divided into 9 parts. First we have the introduction, making the resist. Part 2 is about the materials and the equipment. Part 3 will show you the lamination technique. Part 4 is about applying the wool bed layers. Part 5 is on the wool top layers. Part 6 will be about attaching the flap. Part 7 about felting the whole piece. And then we'll have the final remarks. So if you buy the video version of the workshop, you'll get 9 high-definition videos, 1 for each felting phase. My workshops are based on a decade of experience with felting and teaching to felt. I develop them with a lot of care and attention to details. Still, if for any reason you find something in this workshop isn't clear to you, please don't hesitate to contact me at goingthedodoway@gmail.com.